A St. James pastor has been charged with the sexual assault of a 15-year-old girl while she was at church. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives from the St. James Center for the Investigation of Sexual Offenses and Child Abuse team have charged a St. James pastor with rape on Wednesday, June 10. The pastor, who is also a processing clerk, has been identified as 39-year-old Jason Rose. Reports are that sometime in March of 2021, Rose allegedly assaulted the 15-year-old girl while she was at the church that he leads. A report was made to the police and an investigation launched. Rose reported to the Freeport police station on Monday, June 7th, after several unsuccessful attempts by the police to locate him. He was charged following a question and answer segment by investigators in the presence of his attorney. Rose is scheduled to appear in the St. James Parish Court on Monday, June 14. We'll have an updated report to come on this news story. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.